Hey team, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of February 15, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the video. So the first question is, which state has announced to construct a COVID-19 war memorial for COVID-19 warriors? So the answer is option C, Odisha, and it is being constructed in Bhubaneswar. So where it is being constructed? It is being constructed in Bhubaneswar. So it is being constructed to recognize the sacrifice and service rendered by COVID-19 warriors. So it is being constructed to recognize sacrifice and service rendered by COVID-19 warriors. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, who is the Prime Minister of Italy right now? So the answer is option C, Mario Draghi. So the answer is option C, Mario Draghi. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, what is the theme of National Productivity Day 2021? So the answer is option B, Udyog Manthan for productivity. So the answer is option B, Udyog Manthan for productivity, and it is being celebrated by NPC. NPC stands for National Productivity Council. NPC stands for National Productivity Council to promote productivity culture in India, and it is observed on February 12. It is being observed on February 12. So NPC stands for National Productivity Council. It is being celebrated to promote productivity culture in India. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, who is the author of the book titled Turn Around India 2020 Surmounting Past Legacy? So the answer is option C, R.P. Gupta. So the answer is option C, R.P. Gupta. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, the New START Treaty is a nuclear arms reduction treaty extended for 5 years by the United States with which country? So the answer is option D, Russia, and the capital of Russia is Moscow, and the president of Russia is Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin. And it is a treaty between US and Russia. So the capital of US is Washington DC. And the president of USA or United States is Joe Biden. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, who has inaugurated India's first CNG tractor? So CNG stands for compressed natural gas. So the answer is option A, Nitin Gadkari. So the answer is option A, Nitin Gadkari, and he is the Union Minister of Road Transportation and Highway. So is the Union Minister of Road Transportation and Highway. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, the mobile laboratories for COVID-19 testing will be available in which state? So the answer is option B, Maharashtra, and the Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. The Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray and the capital is Mumbai. As here we talk about mobile laboratories for COVID-19 testing, we should also know the Union Health Minister is Harshvardhan. The Union Health Minister is Harshvardhan. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, the Skill Development Ministry has launched the Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program under which skill development program? So the answer is option B, Sankalp. So the answer is option B, Sankalp, and the full form of Sankalp is skill acquisition, and knowledge awareness for livelihood promotion. So the full form of Sankalp is skill acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood promotion. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, who has been named as the new MD and the CEO of Tata Motors Limited? So the answer is option D, Mark Listsella. So the answer is option D, Mark Listsella, and it is effective from July 1st. It is effective from July 1st. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, who is the author of the book titled Unfinished, a Memory? So the answer is option D, Priyanka Chopra Jonas. So the answer is option D, Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, the National Productivity Day is observed every year in India on which date? So as I already said, the answer is February 12, option A. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, who has been named as the leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha? So the answer is option A, Mallikarjuna Kharge, and he is the senior Congress leader. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, which state has topped in India with 79.4% COVID-19 vaccination? So the answer is option B, Bihar, and the capital of Bihar is Patna, and the Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar. And as here we talk about the vaccination drive, we should also know the Minister of Health and Family Welfare is Harshvardhan. As I already said, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare is Harshvardhan. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, the Indian government and which state government has signed a 100 million for CHIRAAG project with the World Bank? So the answer is option A, Chhattisgarh, and the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur and Bilaspur. The capital is Raipur and Bilaspur. And the Chief Minister is Bhupesh Bagal. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, the general bus stand shopping complex cum multi-level parking has been inaugurated in which state or union territory? So the answer is option B, Jammu, and the governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha. And the capital is Srinagar. So the general bus stand shopping complex cum multi-level parking is being constructed by JDA. So JDA stands for Jammu Development Authority. JDA stands for Jammu Development Authority. So that's it. We are done for the day. And thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us either in the comment section, or you can also contact us in Facebook and Instagram. So that's it. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.